Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the CMOS battery from a Dell Latitude E6230. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs out to unlock and remove battery. Press in and remove SD card. Press in and remove express card. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect palm rest. Then remove upper and lower keyboard screws. Now turn over and disconnect keyboard. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Next, unscrew and remove heatsink. Then unscrew and disconnect speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect bottom base. Then disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.